Okay, I went and bought another one, a golden small one. Missing some doors. It means it's a coupe, only 2 doors. 250 CE, 1972. This car has been standing since 1986 in a barn here in Sweden. And previous owner bought it from someone who made a lot of rust repair and body job, and he renovated the engine, but it was still stuck, so I had to try to get it moving, and that's now sorted. I cleaned it, took away a lot of things. The brake servo was full of brake oil. The brake cylinder was finito contract. And I've started with this one. The goal is to have it running in a short time, because I want to know if the engine and gearbox is okay. Previous owners between 1983 and 1986, he put a lot of money in this car. He changed discs, calipers, he changed the amort, he changed also springs, brake discs, but as you can see, it's a lot of surface rust because it has been standing so long. The interior is okay. I cleaned that seat just to see if the leather was fine, and it was perfect. This one is not clean, but it will be. Back seat, some holes there in the carpet, I need to change that. The wooden trim is it's okay, but the clear coat needs to be fixed. Radio is missing, so you have to sing yourself. And I have basically everything that I need to put a car together, I hope. But I need to do a new paint job because the paint is damaged on this car. I don't know if you can see it, but there's small tiny bubbles in the lack due to the storage under a plastic cover. And it's the when you put lack on, they do a new paint job of these cars in the beginning of the 80s. There was a lot of things that they sold for the car painters to make the job more easy. One thing is that they had some, how we say in Sweden, spackle. The bond that you put first before you put on the lack. They have a spray bond, what they used, and didn't work. It sucked water through the lack, and then when the frost came, it came like this. What I can see is that the front wings are new, back side is also new, doors and door trim, everything is perfect. So this is now my winter project or autumn project. It's a 72, but they changed the mirrors when they did a new paint job to 73 years, this upgrade. I don't know if I'm going to put them back, but... And then they changed also the back lights to 73. It's a common thing here in Sweden that they upgraded the car to make them look better. And everything down here under the car is also okay. But a lot of surface rust. And I haven't decided if I only take everything down, paint it and put it back, or if I only do a quick job with this one and take away all the surface rust and paint it on place. I thought I'd take this big back wheels and everything and the bearings and change. I took away the gasoline tank because it was full of surface rust, and all the gasoline lines was also damaged. So now this one is ready to put gas in, but I have to change the gas lines also because they don't look so good down here. But then I thought maybe I first do some work here on the undercarriage. It's a lot of this small to paint everything, and then when you start to paint it, then you start to think maybe I use epoxy or something, or rust. It's There's always the problem is to set the level for me, because I want my cars to look like that. That one I did a new paint job on. That one I painted. That one also. And that one in the corner. So I don't know what I will do with this one. Probably it will be complete restoration. Those restorations made in the early 80s when the car didn't have as much value as now, they are mostly done quick and hopefully well done, but this one is not. Okay, over and out.